Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I greet you with your time. Guys, let's prepare these delicious coconut rice together. I have my bell pepper here. I'm just dicing it. I also do the same with the onions. So when I finish doing that, I will put my pot on the fire, heat it before I continue frying the ingredients. I have my pot on the fire. I just put a little bit of oil. The next thing, I add salt on it. I will put my diced onion and fry for few seconds. Few seconds later, I add my diced bell pepper also. I fry everything together. I wait for few minutes. The next thing, I will add my washed rice on the pot as well. Fry it for another few minutes before we add our coconut. Now I'm going to add my coconut milk. So I pour everything and I will stir together. After then, I add water for the rice to cook. So I will just add the ingredients that I need on this rice. So what did I put? I add crayfish, maggi, and the rest things which I need. I add my pepper also on it. So stir and cover to done. It was so delicious, guys. So let me know if you try this recipe out in the comment section. Cover to cook. Few minutes later, I came to check for the rice. Just stir everything. Put it on medium heat, guys. Don't let the heat be too much. If not, it will get burnt. Guys, if you watch me to this moment, thank you. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share to friends and family. Our rice is ready. Look how delicious and yummy it is. Thank you for watching this video. See you on my next video. Bye bye.